In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the classic Thai dish, Pad Kra Pao, also known as Thai pork mince with basil. It's ready to go in under 20 minutes, it's light and aromatic, and it's got a really nice spicy kick without being overpowering. Hi, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty, and today in the High Protein Kitchen, we're going to turn our hands to some Thai cookery. Now, I love Thai food. The freshness, the aromatic ingredients, the spice, the whole experience. I absolutely love it. Now, I first had Pad Kra Pao in a Thai restaurant and absolutely adored it. So much so that the next day I immediately went to work trying to recreate the recipe, and this is what I've come up with. For me, the highlights of this recipe are that it's all done in the wok, it's very, very easy to make, it's super quick, and I genuinely think you'd be happy with it if you got served in a Thai restaurant. Sounds good? Right, let's do it.
You're going to start off by finely chopping 4 spring onions and then adding them to a bowl and doing the same with 1 red pepper. After the red pepper is done, you want to get to work on a chili pepper. Now I'm using a green one and I'm leaving the seeds in because I like it hot, but if you want it more mild, remove the seeds. Set that aside, then heat some coconut oil on a wok on a high temperature and add your pork mince. Now fry that pork for a good amount of time, about 8 to 10 minutes, to allow it to get some nice colour on it, and it'll get more flavour if you cook it for longer rather than just taking the pinkness off it. Once it's cooked, remove it from the heat and set aside, then heat another teaspoon of coconut oil and add your spring onion and your peppers to the wok. If you're enjoying the video so far, please do consider hitting that like button just now. It just means you're more likely to see these videos in the future, and I really appreciate it. Once you've hit that like button, then all you need to do is add the garlic, ginger and chili to the wok and fry for about a further 30 seconds. Then you're going to add your pork mince back into the pan and mix everything through so it is nicely combined and the temperature is returning to the pork mince. And then add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of fish sauce, a splash of water, and a little bit of honey for sweetness, along with a handful of basil. Ideally this will be Thai basil, but realistically you're probably only going to be able to find Italian basil in the supermarket unless you go to a specialty Thai supermarket. Anyway, mix all that through and cook it for a minute or so until it wilts, and then from there all you need to do is just serve it. I would normally serve this with boiled or steamed rice and then garnish with some more basil on top and get stuck in.
Right, let's try it out. Yeah, delicious, really light, fragrant, super quick to make. I mean, for a midweek meal, this is an absolute winner. It's all done in the wok and then it's on the plate in a matter of minutes. You can tone it up if you want more chili, or you can take the chili out. Yeah, serve it with rice, all that kind of stir-fried veg, but the basil is just really nice. I know we're using Italian basil here instead of Thai basil, but it still does give it a lovely flavour. Anyway, I'm off to go and eat this. Thanks again for watching. Please do hit that like button if you've not done so already. Again, it's really just because it'll allow you to see more of my videos in future. You're more likely to get them recommended to you, and it really helps me out. If you're a new subscriber, hit the subscribe button, and if you make this, as always, leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you soon.